Hi guys, how is everyone doing? How have you been? I hope everyone is doing fine and welcome to another vlog. And in today's vlog guys, I'm going to show you how to cook mini mandazis. There's no more going to the supermarket and buy them. You can cook them actually in your kitchen, just there, seated, doing your own things. You just decide that today I want to do the mini mandazis. So I'm going to take you step by step on how we cook the mini mandazis and you're going to enjoy. So welcome and feed at home. Yeah. Guys, we are going to cook the mini mandazis. So we have our flour there. We need sugar, we need salt, we need margarine, we need baking powder, and I think that's all. So we are going to start cooking. We add our sugar. We are going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. 3. We have the baking powder. This is the baking powder we are going to add. We are going to add a pinch of salt to taste. Here it is. And we have our margarine. Here we have. We are going to mix our ingredients together. So we are going to mix with we have milk. So we are going to add milk. Guys, we are going to mix everything together. We make a dough to prepare our mandazis. Our dough is ready. You see how it is, smooth and okay and ready for cooking. So we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes or 1 hour, then we start cooking. Transfer your dough to your surface and roll the entire dough wide. Make sure it's soft, but not that soft. At least make sure it's when you roll, you can move smoothly. All right, you can see what I'm doing. It moves smooth. You roll it until you make a big, let's say, circle, whichever shape that you will make. Don't make a thin shape, okay? Don't make a thin shape, because if you make a thin shape, your mandazis will be hard, zitakauka, you see, and we want something soft. So we are going to make let it call an inch. Is it an inch? Yeah, let's call it an inch or 2 inch. As you can see how our dough is, you see. Yeah. So we are going to cut into small pieces. You can use your pizza cutting, donut cutting, anything that you have that can make a nice mandazis. For me, I used a knife. I used a knife. You see, we have our amazing mandazis there. You can see the inch of it. And there, let's start cooking. You can see, make sure your mandazis cook both sides. Let's say you can cook both sides for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depends with the hotness of your oil. Before you start cooking, make sure your oil is hot, like hot when you dip inaiva. But again, you can make it hot, then minimize your flame into a medium flame. Cook with a medium flame ndio isiive nje peke yake. Remember, we need our mandazis to be fully cooked inside and outside, so cook with a medium flame, right? Yeah. You can see mine. And sorry guys, I think I sound like I have a flu, like I've not been feeling well, but I'm okay now. I'm trying to talk and I'm trying to give you vlogs. As you can see, I've not been posting, but I'll be good. You can see our mandazis are ready and it looks yummy. So yummy, yummy, yummy. See that? I really enjoy cooking. Please comment below, like the video, share, subscribe. Tufikishe 1000 subscribers, sindio? Tufikishe, we grow together. See that? I want us to grow together from 0 to something. There's one day we'll come back to this particular video and say, we made it. So guys, thank you so much for watching up to this end. Thank you to everyone who keeps supporting me, who keep coming back to watch more videos. I love you so much, guys. Let's meet on our next vlog. I'll be posting something else. Please also comment what you would like us to cook together. Bye bye.